Hey, today I'm going to show you how to teach a child to chew gum. Now, we typically don't want children to chew gum until at least age 3 because gum can be chokeable for a toddler. But let me show you how to teach a kid to do this. It's pretty easy, it goes pretty quick, and it's pretty fun. First thing you're going to do is grab some cheesecloth. I just get mine at any chef store, and you're going to cut yourself a piece of cheesecloth about the size of a ruler, 1 inch by 12 inches. There's mine. And then pick a gum that is in the shape of a rectangle. My favorite to use in this case would be Purely Trident because it's sugar-free and there's no artificial color or flavor. So I like that. Now that I've got my piece of Trident, what I'm going to do is put it inside my piece of cheesecloth, fold it over just like a little present, and just twist the bottom. And now you've got a piece of yummy gum wrapped nice and tightly with a tail for you to hold on so they can't swallow it. Make sure you have a piece of gum in your mouth as well. Put your 3-year-old or older child right here in front of you. Make sure they're sitting up nice and straight because gross motor stability or postural stability always influences fine motor skill. So we've got to have good postural stability. Then what we're going to do is tell the little kid, hey, today we get to chew gum. The one thing I want you to remember is there's only 2 places that gum goes. In mommy's hand or in this trash can. Make sure the kids know that because you don't want random gum all over the house. Once you've done that, go ahead and put the gum on the mirror image of where this child's going to be chewing. So if that child's going to be chewing on their left side, you're going to put it on your right side, mirror image. And then hold on to the gum, put it in their mouth. See how this beautiful shape right here is going to fit nicely right on their molars? That's why I like this shape. Then go right in, have them chew 8 to 10 times, but you're holding on to it. And when you pull it out, the gum will be chewed inside the cheesecloth. Repeat the same method on the other side. Remember to move your gum over there as well, so they have a mirror image of what's happening. Fresh piece, fresh cheesecloth, same thing on this side. Once you get the sense, after practicing a few times, that they're really comfortable with this, then you're going to progress to no cheesecloth. So here's what that looks like. Get your piece of gum, unwrap it, and if it's a longer piece of gum like Trident, you could simply break it in half and give them half and you take half. A little bit smaller piece sometimes works a little bit better, but don't go too small. What you're going to do is tell them, we're going to chew with no cheesecloth and we're only going to chew 10 times and then it goes in the trash can. So give them the piece, make sure they put it over on their big molars, I call those dinosaur teeth, and chew, chew, chew 10 times and they're ready to spit it out. The fact that they're thinking about spitting it out is why they aren't as likely to swallow it, because they know chew 10 times, spit it out. Keep practicing, keep practicing. And when you get the sense that this is really easy for them, now they're ready to learn to chew gum and walk at the same time, which can be hard for some of us. So what you're going to do is take your trash can, place it at the other end of the room, and now put on some music that gets a kid marching. All right, you want a marching beat. You give the kid a piece, you get a piece, turn on the music, and then march 10 paces to the trash can and spit it out. Again, 10 chews, 10 paces. And why do we march? Because we want the kids thinking about chew hard, march on top of that gum. And when their feet are marching, they're more likely to march with their teeth as well. Now you're ready to progress to more of a rotary chew while we're walking. Just take your trash can, move it to somewhere else in the house, and say, let's go find the trash can. Turn on your marching music, start to march, but as you get closer and closer to the trash can, maybe down the hall, maybe in another room, slow down your marching into a walking pace, and now you've got a kid who's walking and chewing gum at the same time. So I hope you found that helpful. Have fun chewing gum.